is about to fly.
She live?
Yeah, I'm live. There you go. There's the- Yep. All right, did I put these on right? Yes.
In the seat, buttoned up. We're gonna brake.
And the leg over here?
Yep, right here. Yep. Now just step right in the seat. It's fine. Got to put it on that wrist. There you go. Now support your hand because this is heavy. You're going to easily set it down. Nice and easy. Perfect. Now push that forward. You're locked in. Good. Get me my door, my step, please.
Step secure.
I have a cruise, Steve.
Flash red at you.
Yes. Got it under control.
All right, it's looking at you. Here we go. Bringing the power up. And we're off. Sulphur Springs traffic, experimental L39 jet on the roll. 19er, Sulphur Springs. Be sure and wave at everybody.
I will.
You know how to tighten up your core?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Sulphur Springs traffic.
So what you do is you just take a deep breath and you kind of tighten up things. Just take a breath and just squeeze your stomach. I'm going to go easy with you. We're going to kind of practice and kind of get into it. You can kind of tell me how you're feeling. You just let me know if you don't feel right, okay?
Okay.
How you doing back there?
Been great.
All
Loving
right.
it.
All right. This is a little G right there. About a 2G pull. It's not much.
That was awesome.
So do you see the big screen in front of you?
Yes.
Look at the bottom right of the screen. You see the G meter. It's right on, nothing right now. Sort of, it's on a 1G right now. You see that?
Yes. Yeah, I see the 468.
Yep, that's the G meter. Yeah. So the most we pulled this weekend so far is just under 4. You see the little triangle?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So look at this little layer of clouds we're going up over. Isn't that cool?
Beautiful.
Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go out here and I'm going to ease you into a G. We're not really going to do a ton that's going to mess you up or anything, but you kind of tell me how it feels and if you're good with it, okay? So if we were fighting along and I say 3, 2, 1, then right after 3, 2, 1, we're going to be doing some kind of maneuver, okay? And I'll kind of tell you so you'll know which way we're going. I'm going to turn left turn and do about a 2.5, 3G pull, okay?
When you do a 1, what's your technique? Just breathe through your nose?
Well, what I do is 3, 2, and I just take a breath and hold, tighten up your butt, your stomach. It's almost like you're just squeezing your chest, right?
Yeah.
And your legs. And the reason you do that is to keep blood from not coming out of your head and making you feel woozy. So yeah, I'll say 3, 2, and on 2, just go ahead and take a deep breath, and on 1, squeeze, and it's not going to last that long, okay?
Okay.
So let's do a left-hand turn. 3, 2, 1. There's almost a 3G pull. How you doing?
Good.
All good? We're at 7,000 feet. Cool, cool.
That was awesome.
Oh, it gets better. Okay, you ready? This is what you call an aileron roll. Going up. We're going upside down. Woohoo!
Cool.
Not available.
What do you think?
I love it.
Hey, okay.
Now,
Sounds
now
like you want to do one to the right.
go for it.
Here we go.
Traffic not available.
All right, we're about to do a maneuver called a barrel roll. It's a lot bigger thing. You ready?
I don't know. Let's go.
All right, here we go. We're going to pick up some speed. We got the speed. Here we go.
On a left base, 4220.
We're upside down. We're rolling out.
Traffic not available.
Traffic, Cessna 47.
You good?
Hanging in there.
She's still back there. Okay, so just for fun of it, slow down, Ted. Just for the fun of it, put your hand on that stick, put your feet on those rudder pedals.
Sulphur Springs Unicom, are you up?
They're stirrups, actually.
Okay.
Sulphur Springs Unicom, go.
Yes, sir. I was told I could get in before 10 without a PPR. Is that still true?
That is correct. Just be aware there's still several jets in the on the ground and a couple in the air.
Understood. Yeah, we've been talking to a couple of them. We'll be there in 5 minutes.
Got it.
Okay, so Nadia, the stick, what it does is goes up when we pull back, like that. We don't really want to push hard on a stick like this, but you just lighten your, grip. If you want to turn left in a jet, you actually roll to the left, and then you have to pull back a little bit on the stick, right, like that.
Yeah.
In a jet, you don't have to use the rudders too much. The rudders are your feet, so push on your right foot just slightly and watch what the nose of the plane does. So it kind of wiggles, right?
Oh, yeah.
That's the rudder in the back like this. Can you see my hand?
Yeah.
So it's doing this. When we go right foot, it makes the nose kick over. So, usually in a jet, all you have to do is you're going so fast, you just kind of point the nose.
Springs traffic, Cirrus 142 Delta Bravo, 2,000 feet, 10 miles to the west. Overfly midfield for the left downwind. Full stop, Sulphur Springs.
The view out of this bad boy is something, isn't it?
Yeah, it is. It's beautiful.
Gotta have one jumping away, Trey County.
Given the Cirrus,
0.7 offset to the west, ground speed was 85.
giving Cirrus plenty of time to land.
After 1.2.
See the little lake up here on the left? Up front of us?
Yeah.
That's where we took off from. So the airport buildings are on this side of it. You can see them over there.
Yeah.
What we're doing is kind of descending down.
Awesome.
We'll get in before the other jets take off. Here is down. We got 3 in the green.
Traffic, Cirrus 142 Delta Bravo, close in left base, left of final, 419, full stop.
Flaps coming down. See the Cirrus over there over the water landing?
Yeah. What's the purpose of having a lake there, by the way?
It's just a lake. They built an airport after the lake, I think.
Are those hogs right there?
Say again. Sulphur Springs traffic, L39, left base, 19er. Sulphur Springs traffic, L39 jet on final, 19er. Full stop, Sulphur Springs.
Sulphur Springs traffic, 72 Victor radio check.
500.
Loud and clear.
Roger, 73 Victor's number 2 behind the jet, Sulphur Springs.
Look at this boat out here under us on the right. He's fishing. Probably wondering what's going on.
There's some pretty good fish.
Probably a pretty good fishing lake.
Wow, that was really smooth.
What'd you think, Edlin?
It was awesome. Sound like a kid again.